here's my great tips and tricks to use your smartphone in a better way. So that my first tips and tricks is use your airplane mode to speed up your charging. So just like everyone else, you probably want your phone to charge up as quickly as possible. So put it in on the airplane mode, and it will use less battery life. So and thus the charge more quickly. So it can give you the very quickly charge. So whenever you are doing the charging, if you want the quick and more efficiency and you're in the rush, then make sure you turn off your airplane mode. It takes less time for charge. And if you want your smartphone move smoothly, so go to the setting and then go till down and just confirm that you have enabled the developer option. So pick developer option, make sure it's turned on. Okay, and go down and down to, so you can see here the window animation skill and transition animated duration scale. So these all are some animation during our when we are changing our one page to another, or when we are swiping the apps. So by doing the animation off, your smartphone didn't take any animation, so it's moved very smoothly. So if you want your smartphone run smoothly, then make sure you turn off all your animation. So my third trick is keep your kids or friends inside one app. Means whenever you want to hand over your phone to your kids, your friends, then if you want to make sure they're using only one app, then you can pin here. So for pinning, go to the setting and then go to the security, not location, security, and on the last you can see screening pinning. So go to there and turn on your screen pinning and lock. So unlock the section. You can choose anything. I'm just choosing the pattern. Continue, confirm, you're done. So right now, if I want that my friends is use only these Chrome apps, then go to here and then you can see here the pinning button. So just press this one pin and screen is pin. Got it. So now your friends can only use this browsing. So he's just finding YouTube. He can use only this browsing app. So he's not unable to use your photo or messenger or your private social media. So if ever he want to go, then they say unpin the screen. So you can create, by doing this you can clearly security or your phone. So for unpin, press simultaneously this both, screen is now unpin. See, and this is my some talks about smartphone tips and tricks. Thank you guys, and see you next Friday. Till stay good, stay happy, believe in yourself, and be happy. Yeah.